back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see right here, we're doing a cauliflower, black-eyed peas and cumin stew. Really simple, really delicious, vegetarian, healthy, vegan. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. In the center there, I've got some cauliflower. Just cut that into little florets. Tin or canned tomatoes, there's two there, 2 regular cans. Black-eyed peas, again, these are from a can. If you're using from a can, give them a nice wash in cold water. Cumin powder, 2 heaped teaspoons, some sliced onions, some garlic. We're going to start this off with some oil. Of course, we're going to add some salt and pepper. And at the end, we're going to add a little bit of fresh cilantro. Let's go and do it. So this is super easy. Get yourself a pan, wok, or pot, whatever you're cooking on. I've got some oil in there. I'm using sunflower oil. We're going to start off by putting in our onions, our chopped garlic, and I've got quite a lot of garlic, that cumin powder, and there's 2 heaped teaspoons there, and we're going to throw this around in the pan above medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. There you go, that's just coming together really nicely. We're now going to add in our cauliflower, some salt, black pepper, and then for about another 4 minutes on this above medium heat, we're going to throw these around in the pan. Get this cauliflower on its way. So we've got some lovely flavours on our cauliflower, as you can see. It's still quite hard, this cauliflower. Now we're going to add in our black-eyed peas. And we're just going to dry fry this around for about 2 more minutes on an above medium heat. Got some of those flavours happening on our peas now. Great. Now, those canned tomatoes, in they go. These are the whole plum tomatoes. I'll just roughly chop them. And what we want to do is get them in and cooked for about 5 minutes on this kind of fairly lively heat. And then we want to drop the heat down, not to a simmer, but not raging. So just above a simmer. But first let it kind of boil up a little bit, let it get a lot of heat into it, and then lower it down. What we're looking for basically is we're looking for our cauliflower to cook nicely, probably be about 5 or 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. As you can see, this has come together really beautifully. Still got a little bit of a crunch on our cauliflower. Check that for salt, just at the very last. Lovely couple of handfuls of cilantro or fresh coriander. And that is done. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please click that bell icon just below. Check us out on Facebook and all the other social media stuff. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.